Oh my gosh. A bird is in here. Ah. What the? Oh! Let him out. Let him out. We think it came from the fireplace.
It's got very long wings.
Oh, poor little thing. Come on, buddy. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Buddy, let him out. Let him out. Let him out. Oh, don't scream. Don't let the dog get him. Come here, buddy. Oh, come here, buddy. Go out. You're almost there. Oh, he's trying.
Don't let Cooper get him.
Get Cooper out of here. Oh, come on, buddy. I'm sorry, little American birdie.
Let me take your phone.
Ah, come on. I'll let you go.
Oh,
Come on.
Hold on. Wait. From here, you can do this and take pictures.
Okay.
Oh, maybe not.
Come here. You can take pictures now. Come on. Oh, little birdie, it's okay. Come on, buddy. It's okay. You're so cute. We're going to save your life.